Today's lesson is long A pattern aim. Let's read. G, aim, game. N, aim, name. S, aim, same. F, aim, fame. Now it's your turn. Repeat after teacher. Game, name, same, fame. One more time. Game, name, same, fame. Great job. Now let's match the following pictures with their correct names. Game. Good job. The correct answer is picture 1. Name. Perfect. The correct answer is picture number 2. Same. Awesome. The correct answer is picture number 1. Fame. Very good. The correct answer is picture number 2. Let's read the following sentences. I want fame. I want fame. What is your name? What is your name? We are the same. We are the same. Let's play a game. Let's play a game. Now it's your turn. Repeat after teacher. I want fame. What is your name? We are the same. Let's play a game. Wonderful! You did a very good job today, and because of that, you have a lollipop. See you next time!